Get the latest local news straight to your inbox every day. 4 and 5-year-olds at an Oxford school sang their hearts out yesterday for the High Commissioner of Antigua and Barbuda. The pupils at Christchurch Cathedral School off St. Aldate's were using giving the concert to raise money for the island nation devastated by Hurricanes Irma and Jose. Older students and their families also baked a smorgasbord of scrumptious cakes and treats to help raise more funds. Their efforts were warmly welcomed by the High Commissioner, who stopped by the school on a whistle-stop visit yesterday, before jetting off to the UN in Washington. Her Excellency Karen Mayhill said this was a beautiful idea to support Antigua and Barbuda, and I wanted to be here to show that everything people do, however big or small, is appreciated. Yesterday's concert was organized by music teacher Sophie Bidell, who ran a singing project in Antigua in 2011 and performed in Southwark Cathedral last week to raise funds for the international appeal. She said it means so much to be able to use music as a way to reach out in friendship to the other side of the world. We're a very global school, and when our pupils saw the devastation caused by Hurricane Irma, they were keen to help in whatever way they could. Tom Pavey, 7, said almost all the houses on Barbuda have been destroyed. It doesn't matter how far away they are, they should still have houses and things like that. Thomasana Campbell, 6, said we want to make the people safe again. The island of Barbuda is currently empty of residents, having been entirely evacuated after the devastation for the first time in 300 years. Some 95% of buildings and infrastructure have been destroyed, damage totaling hundreds of millions of pounds, and islanders are currently living on Antigua. Ms. Hill said that funds raised at yesterday's concert would in the short term go to Barbudan youngsters now going to school on Antigua and needing new school bags and supplies. Meanwhile, servicemen from elsewhere in Oxfordshire are helping with the massive aid and relief effort on both islands. Some 60 personnel from RAF Benson near Wallingford have deployed to the islands as part of Operation Rumen. Just 4 days after receiving the call for help, the teams from the Support Helicopter Task Force and RAF Puma Force were in the Caribbean and flying operations. Based on the U.S. Virgin Islands, they are living in relatively austere conditions, but said they were committed to the task and enjoying being able to help.